Good morning, everyone. Kavisha and Rishik Bajaj. Good morning. Yes, this is the last time I'm calling your name. Next time, if you I found any child sitting with the camera off, I am going to remove them from my class.
And Janya Patel has also kept.
Yes, I know, Jania. I'm going to remove you. Sorry, bacha. Sorry. This is last warning I am giving you all. Next time in my class, if I found any child sitting with the camera off, I will not call his name. I am going to remove that child from my class directly. Sorry for that, okay? Because if you don't follow the class rules, then I will also have to take some actions with you. Now we are 2 minutes late. Next time I will not allow you to come in the class.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. So children, as you know that we were doing the concept of loan. Everyone is clear with the concept of loan? Loan is what? Khush, decide what is loan.
Ma'am, to take money from the bank.
Okay. Only we can take the Prayag, only we can take the money from bank only.
What, ma'am?
Money, if we borrow money, we can only borrow the money or take the money from bank only, or we can take from someone else.
Can you repeat the question again? Because in my connection, it is.
We can only take the money from bank or we can take from someone else also.
We can take from someone else also. That money we have to give the agreement of that.
Okay. So the person who are Bhakti, you are 3 minutes late in my class. And the entire class, everyone will sit with the camera on. Full class till I end the class, everyone will sit with the camera on. Money lenders, these are called the money lenders. Bank, everyone knows that we can borrow the money from bank, but except bank there are money lenders also in the market. Yes, those who lend us the money. So why we have to take from the bank only? Is there any some changes, something difference, that we borrow money from money lenders and we borrow money from bank? Is there any changes? See, if we borrow money from
Yes,
bank,
ma'am, I know.
yes, please, you.
If we borrow the money from bank, they will add the interest also, and if we take the money from money lender, they will not add the
No,
interest.
they will also add interest, but in fact, they charge higher interest.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
That is why everyone prefer to. Mir Virani, sit with your camera on. You are late in my class. Hansil, sorry, I'm going to remove you, bacha, because several reminders I have given. Sorry, now you will be removed from my class. Sorry. How many times you need the reminder that you will not switch off your camera?
Ma'am, I am opening chat box. That's why.
Why are you opening? Did I told to open the chat box?
No, ma'am.
Then why?
Ma'am, by
Not
my
You children
mistake.
are not taking your classes seriously. Mute
Sorry.
your mic now. Where is Rishik? Yeah, he's there. Here. Here, 5 minutes late. It is happening every day here. Here, this is happening every day that you are joining your class late. Next time, I will not allow you. Okay?
Okay.
So children, if we take the money, borrow money from banks having some fixed rate of interest which they charge. But if we take the borrow money from money lenders, they charge higher interest rate compared to the bank. Okay, understood everyone? The money lenders charge higher rate of interest. Bank charges, but why is if they charge higher rate of interest, still people buy the money from the money lenders? Why? Can anyone tell me why? फिर भी लोग उनसे मनी लेते हैं, वो ज्यादा चार्ज करते हैं, फिर भी लेते हैं, क्यों?
Ma'am, because they give more time.
They give
the
more
money
time.
back.
Okay, that is okay. And you know, in bank there are many formalities to complete, but when we take the money from money lenders, the formalities are not much as compared to the formalities with the bank, है ना? फॉर्मेलिटीज तो वहां पे भी होती हैं, सिक्योरिटी तो हमें वहां पे भी कुछ रखना होता है, पर जो फॉर्मेलिटीज बैंक में होती हैं कि ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपके पास होने चाहिए या वॉट एवर द थिंग इज, जो फॉर्मेलिटीज बैंक में है, कंपैरेटिवली बैंक के मनी लैंडर्स के पास इतनी फॉर्मेलिटीज नहीं होती. इसीलिए पीपल स्टिल प्रेफर, कोई बात नहीं है, ज्यादा रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वी विल पे, so they still prefer to take from the money lenders. Why? Because they have to do less formalities. कई बार किसी के पास प्रॉपर पेपर्स नहीं है ना सिक्योरिटी के, तो मनी लैंडर्स विल गिव सच एक्सक्यूजेस, उनके पास ऐसा चल जाता है, पर बैंक में ऐसा नहीं चलता है. Got it everyone?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have read the chapter in that it was written that one uncle has taken
from bank.
Yeah, and one has taken from money lender.
Yes.
So one has told that he have taken 300 rupees and he will give 300 rupees only.
No, see, there is Hariya and Babu, right? There are two persons who are taking the loan. One has taken 300 rupees. Another also has taken 300 rupees. Yes. This has taken from bank. This has taken from money lender. Okay. But the person who has taken from bank is paying 51 rupees every month for 6 months. So what is the amount he is paying? 51 rupees every month for 6 months. Find out.
Ma'am, he is paying.
Ma'am, he is paying 306.
Ma'am, 306 rupees.
306.
306 rupees.
He is paying 306 rupees. And how much is the money lender is paying?
360.
360. Yes, ma'am, 360.
360. Because it's already given to you that he is paying 360, right?
Yeah.
So now the person who has
the bank is only giving the interest for 6 rupees, but the money lender is giving interest for 60 rupees.
So what is the difference between he is paying 306, he is paying 360? How much more the Babu is paying?
Ma'am, he is paying 54.
How?
54
rupees.
No.
54.
Oh, how much more? How much more Babu is paying? Babu is paying 360.
Rupees.
Babu is paying 360. He is paying 306. How much more Babu is paying?
Ma'am, 54.
Yes, Yug is correct. Yug is correct. 54 rupees. How much more? 360 minus 306, 54 rupees. Babu is paying more. And why is paying more? Because he is taking from the money lender. Okay. The person who is taking from the bank is paying less compared to the person who is paying from the money lender. Children, for your information, I am telling you, I have removed 2 students from my class today. One is Kavisha and another is Rishik, because they were not following the class rules. You can see in the people's column also, there are no, these 2 students are not there in the class today. I have removed them just because of, after giving the several reminders that please sit with your camera on, they were not sitting, so I removed them silently. So again, I'm requesting to you all, please follow the class rules, sit with your camera on every time. Ahana, again I'm repeating.
Ma'am, I was seeing the participants.
Why you were saying? Why? Now comes the next. See children, there are 3 different terms used. One is amount. In amount, the borrowed amount plus interest is included.
Plus interest is
Plus
total
interest
amount.
This is the total amount, where the principal as well as the interest is included.
Interest.
Now what is principal here? Here the principal is the borrowed amount.
Borrowed amount.
जो आपने borrow किया है. And
Yes,
next
ma'am.
third term is the interest.
Interest.
Interest is the extra amount.
Extra amount they are charging.
Yeah, 3 different terms, you know. Total
Yes,
amount
ma'am.
means principal amount plus interest. Principal means borrowed amount. Interest means extra amount. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will give you some example. Please write it in the notebook. Question number 1. Find amount. You need to find the total amount if principal is equals to 60,000 and the interest. I am writing the short form for principal P and for interest I. Principal equals to 60,000 and interest is equals to 4,000. Okay, find the total amount.
Ma'am, can I go to
Ma'am, 64,000.
Yes, so the formula is amount equals to principal plus I. Principal is 60,000 plus interest is 4,000. Add them and find the answer. 64. And please write the rupees also. These are in rupees. So write the rupees.
Write them full.
Yes, you have to write this full the way I have written.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I go to washroom?
Yes, please. Please write fast.
And that's why I will off my camera. Is that okay?
Okay. Write this in your notebooks. Find amount if P equals to P means principal year. Borrowed amount. I means interest. Interest, the extra charges.
Excuse me, ma'am. This we have to write the principal, interest, and amount in this like, or we have to write the full name of it.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was telling that in the principal, interest, and amount we have to write the full name.
You can write the short form also, but you always remember that A is used for what, P is used for what, I is used for what.
Okay, ma'am.
These you have joined with 2 IDs.
Ma'am, yes, because
I removed that another one. Okay, you removed. Thank you.
That's good.
Done, ma'am.
Done, everyone? I will
1
go.
minute,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am.
Be little fast. Varija, sit with your camera on. Varija is there now?
Ma'am, she asked you and went for
Okay.
washroom.
Okay.
Renu, ma'am,
Yes.
your camera is off. I cannot see. Done, ma'am.
You log out and log in, Jania.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Which child?
Ma'am, Dev.
Dev, you go and come fast because I'm going to write the second now.
Can I do this?
Done, ma'am.
Yes. I'm writing the second now. Find. Now find principal amount here. If you have amount, now here the amount is given to you. Amount is 54,000 and the interest is 4,000. And the interest is 4,000.
Ma'am, we have to write rupees also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
50,000. Ma'am, 50,000.
Yes.
50,000.
Ma'am, this A means total amount, no?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Principal is equals to A minus I. Amount
A
में से
minus I.
जब आप amount में से I
50,000.
minus करोगे 50 rupees
50,000.
54,000 minus interest is 4,000 rupees 4,000. So your answer will be rupees 50,000. Arnav Desai, just now join.
54.
Leave my class. Leave my class.
I am not well. Promise.
Yes.
Mama said I'm not well.
So see, if you are not well, mute yourself. Mohammed, mute yourself. You are not well and you have joined 15-20 minutes late. अब आपको क्या समझ में आएगा? For you, I will not repeat again. आप ऐसा करो, बच्चा rest करो. I will send you the recording. Okay.
Here point is there.
Okay. So you will silently listen what I will teach now. And please request for the send me the mail for your recordings.
Ma'am.
Because आपको अब आधे में कुछ नहीं समझ में आएगा. Yes.
Ma'am, what you have written beside 54,000?
50 rupees
Yes,
minus 4,000 rupees. This is.
Ma'am, not that one. In the
Done, ma'am.
second last.
4, I think, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Let me take the attendance for a minute and then I will repeat.
Ma'am, done. Second one.
Yes, yes, Meet, tell me.
Ma'am, 54 minus then 1.
Rupees 4,000. Clear how to find the borrowed amount?
Yes,
अब
ma'am.
टोटल अमाउंट के अंदर हमेशा इंटरेस्ट ऐड हुआ होता है. जब आप इंटरेस्ट माइनस करोगे तो आपके पास बोरोड अमाउंट आ जाएगा. Got it, everyone?
Got it, ma'am. And done, ma'am.
Okay. Now the third condition is find the interest.
Ma'am, I am the last line.
Yeah, that's what
4,000.
I'm erasing from up. Now here you have
Ma'am,
amount.
this is a question 3, no?
Yes, question 3. Find interest if the amount is rupees.
Done, ma'am.
If the amount is rupees 50,000 and the principal is rupees 48,000.
2000 is the interest.
वेरी गुड, सो क्विक आंसर. सो अब आप बताइए कि इसके अंदर अमाउंट जो है वो 50,000 था, बट योर प्रिंसिपल आपका बोरोड अमाउंट जो था 48,000 था.
Yes,
सो
ma'am.
मीर वीरानी, हाउ मच इज द इंटरेस्ट इंक्लूडेड इन दिस? मीर वीरानी,
Yes, ma'am.
how much is the interest included in this amount total? Total amount is means जो total amount में interest included है और borrowed amount 48,000 है, तो interest कितना हुआ?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, interest is
equal
98,000.
amount you are adding. How interest can be more than the amount borrowed? आपने borrowed amount 48,000 था, interest 98,000 पे करोगे.
No.
Interest cannot be more than the
Ma'am,
borrowed
can I
amount.
tell you?
You've already given me the answer. Amount minus principal.
20.
Rupees 50,000 minus 48,000. Minus rupees 48,000. Rupees 2,000 is the answer. Got it? Always remember the interest will never be more than the borrowed amount. And total amount will never be less than the borrowed amount. कभी भी टोटल अमाउंट बोरोड अमाउंट से लेस नहीं होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि टोटल अमाउंट में इंटरेस्ट इंक्लूडेड है. ऑलवेज अमाउंट, टोटल अमाउंट विल बी मोर देन द प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट.
Done, ma'am.
Interest will be less than the principal amount.
Yes.
I am.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Yes, you wait. Let Mohammed is asking. Yes, Mohammed, what are you asking? Done. Okay. Yes, you.
Ma'am, if the condition is we have, if only the principal is given, that in this find the interest and in the find the principal amount, we have to always minus.
For finding the interest, we need to minus always.
Interest and principal also.
For what?
Ma'am, the second question was find principal amount.
From first to second question, you were subtracting the interest from the amount, right? तो principal आ गया आपके पास.
Okay, ma'am.
वहां पर आपके पास amount और interest given था, principal नहीं था.
Okay, ma'am.
Here you have amount and principal, not the interest. So whichever you are finding before equal to sign means you are finding this thing.
So only amount will be addition and
Other two are
principal
subtraction.
and interest will be
Subtraction.
subtraction. Okay,
Got
ma'am.
it? Done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Bhakti, you are not at your place? Bhakti,
Ma'am, I am.
properly. Done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Everyone done? Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Now, students, I am going to give you the Google form link in the classroom. Open that link, solve these questions in your notebook, and then write the final answer. Wait a minute. Let me open the Google form.
Ma'am, this is the CET or this practice?
No, it's a practice.
Okay.
It's not a CET. Here there are two options will be given to you. You need to first solve and then click the final answer, okay? And solve it in the notebook first, then click the answer. I'm going to paste this in your classroom.
Ma'am, in revision notebook or running notebook?
Running.
Okay, ma'am.
This is practice I am giving you based on these three formulas. Chapter 6, worksheet number 1. It is in the Google form. So I'm going to give you in the, you have to, when you go to the Google form, first refresh it. Yes.
Alright, so reading class there.
I have written no message.
Ma'am, but we have not get the that schedule of Saturday.
That ma'am will send you, okay?
Saturday reading.
Your ma'am will send you, English teacher.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So I have assigned you the Google form. Please refresh your classroom. Go to Google form. Dear Bhakti, please go to Google form and try to.
Yes, ma'am, it is opening.
Please refresh your classroom.
Yes, ma'am, it is open. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I cannot see the link.
Yes, ma'am, I have refreshed 2 times, but it
I am going to give you the link in the chat box.
Ma'am, in iPad I can't refresh.
Okay, I have given you the link in the chat box. Go from the chat box. Are you all able to log into the Google form? Deer, Ahana, Bhakti, Heer, Muhammad, other students. Are you all able to enter in the Google form? Yes or no?
Yes,
I am going to present it here.
Yes,
Mute yourself. Thank you. The first question, if we see, if the amount, find the amount. So here you need to find the amount. If principal is given, interest is given. So when principal and interest is given, what we have to do for finding the amount?
and plus.
What we have to do, Mir Virani? Plus. So what will be the answer here? 860 plus 75 will be how much?
Ma'am, I can say.
Yes, Deep.
Excuse me, ma'am.
As 930. Ma'am, 935.
Yes. Please.
Ma'am, this practice sheet is very easy. I didn't have to do the calculations also.
Next is find the amount. Now you need to find the amount when principal and interest is given. This is the same kind of first sum. So you need to add. Will be the answer? What will be the answer? Do it fast.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, the second one.
3,000.
Ma'am,
3,767.
Very good.
Yes.
Go to the C1. Find the principal if the amount is given and the interest is given. So what will be the borrowed amount?
Ma'am, 4,000.
What will be the borrowed amount, Laisha?
4,000. 4,000.
What, ma'am?
What will be the borrowed amount in the next one?
Borrowed amount?
Because principal is the borrowed amount only, no?
Yes, it will be 4,000.
Why it will be 4,000? Can you explain?
Because principal is equals to amount minus interest, so the answer will be 4,000.
Yes. Next will be from Hit Kasodia. Hit, find the principal if the amount is this. So what will be the answer?
Ma'am, 4,900.
Excellent. Next will be Navya. Navya, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing.
Find the interest if amount is 2,000 and the principal is 1,700. So what will be the interest?
Find the interest to 17,000 is amount. Principal 700.
1700 is the principal. So what will be your amount?
300.
Very good. The interest is 300. Very good. Next will be given by Heer. Heer, give me the F. Give me F answer here.
Ma'am, mean
60.
yeah or week?
Heer. Heer is not there in the class? Okay. What you saying? 60. Very good. Please do this fast.
Ma'am, done the Google form.
Ma'am, done the Google form.
Okay.
12
let me
out
check.
of 12.
And same kind of one more Google form I will send you today for the practice.
Ma'am, after doing the Google form, we have to done mark as done, no?
Yes. Do mark as
Ma'am,
done.
what's
I
the-
can see they
Ma'am,
were
what's
done.
the easy
Wait.
answer?
I can see you guys done. Mohammed score very less marks.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, I am confused in the E question.
Meet score less mark. Priyag, what happened to you, bacha? You got confused?
Ma'am, I am Varinya.
Varinya, you want an E question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Find the interest. Interest, how you will find? Amount means you need to pay 2000 rupees. आपको कुछ समय के बाद उसको वापस 2000 देने हैं और आपने लिए थे 1700, तो उसके अंदर कितना इंटरेस्ट इंक्लूडेड है? हाउ यू विल फाइंड? 2000 minus 1700 is 300, है ना? Got it?
Ma'am,
Yes, Meer Virani.
Ma'am, in this I am confused in what, how we know this is the minus sum.
I have given you know कि कैसे निकालना है. अमाउंट आपके पास है, प्रिंसिपल आपके पास है, सो इंटरेस्ट आप कैसे निकालोगे? माइनस करके ही निकालोगे ना. Any confusion to anyone till here? Now, see, I am going to show you the another form also. Can you all able to see my screen?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you all able to see the worksheet number 2 based on
Yes,
this?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That will also be same. Wait. Find the amount if the principal is this. Find the amount if the principal is this and the interest is this. Find the principal if the amount is this and the interest is this. So this also I have given 6 to 7 this questions I am going to give you.
Ma'am, I'm getting so confused in this question.
Which
In
one?
this
Ma'am.
chapter, ma'am.
Which one?
Ma'am, in this chapter, I'm getting so confused.
You do practice, bacha. Okay, you do practically. You are two sisters. You can at home also you can do practice. That okay, I'm giving you a loan. I am taking loan from. Mute yourself, otherwise my voice will.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Laisha.
This my mom my mom has also do this like principal and interest and amount like that when she go to the bank.
Varinya and Varija, practically you do. Okay. Do at home. If you have dummy notes with you all, that okay, I am taking a loan from you this much. You repay me after some time this much. So what is the interest included in this? Yes.
Ma'am, whenever I have the fake money,
Yes.
so ma'am, whenever my friends come home, we play the house game. So we set up all the house and we tell my friends that okay, I'm giving you this much money. After 1 month, you repay me.
Yes.
So we play it like that in our living room.
Yes. So when you learn this practically with the fake money, you will understand the concept of loan and concept of principal amount,
Yes,
concept
ma'am.
of interest. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
this chapter is very easy.
easy. All are easy when you learn with the interest.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, students. One more Google form I will send for practice. Prayag, just take a note wherever you have done the mistake. Will not repeat for the next time.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.